Only walking for exercise? Here's how to get the most out of it. Walking is more than just a way to get around. It's a gateway to better health, especially when you add strength training elements. Living longer doesn't always mean living healthier. The gap between lifespan and health span is about 10 years, filled with health issues. The WHO suggests 150 to 300 minutes of exercise like brisk walking weekly, plus muscle strengthening twice a week, yet few meet these goals. Incorporating strength training into walking can bridge this gap, enhancing muscle strength and balance without needing extra time or equipment. Eccentric exercises, like sitting down slowly, boost muscle strength and balance. Our research shows eccentric walking can do the same for older adults. Our study with 11 participants aged 54 to 88 showed significant improvements in muscle strength, balance, and cognitive function after 12 weeks of eccentric walking. Eccentric walking might look different, but its benefits for extending health span are clear. It's a simple, effective way to improve physical and mental health.